I'm out here at the lake and I've got my transom hooked up there and it's ready to go. This thing came pretty much almost all assembled outside the little prop here. It has a 3 kind of bladed prop right there. There is a nut that you have to put on right here, and they actually supplied the wrench and everything. This is the box the prop came in, and here it kind of looks like a little chainsaw wrench, everybody. You basically just tighten that up right there. This was already on there. It was easily to put on there, and it's overall, it was a pretty simple assembly as far as trolling motors goes. Basically the hardest part's going to be actually putting it on the kayak here. But let me just go over some of the specs of this trolling motor. So we'll set it up here. You can get a better look at it here. So the overall specs of this thing, it's a 55-pound thrust motor. The actual shaft length on this thing is a 30-inch shaft length, and it is adjustable up and down. I've got it kind of like a midway right there. And it looks like it's a 550-watt draw, a DC 12 volt. So that's what I have right here. Inside this box is a lithium ion phosphate battery that's a DC 12 volt. So I went ahead and got me a longer tiller handle, but this tiller handle on this one is actually extendable. You guys see that? It's got an extendable tiller handle, and it looks like it has 8 speeds of operation. 1 through 5 is forward, and 1 through 3 in reverse. And they have a nice kind of angle. It's a good, comfortable grip right there. There is a high and low right here, and a 12 volt. So there is a little indicator light on top. I don't know how well you can see it. There it is. And then I'm just going to put this tiller handle on here. Basically, I'm not going to put the trolling motor on the kayak until I get down to the water, but I'm going to mount it right here on this Newport Vessels transom mount right here that basically just screws down into the back of a kayak right here. You can drill your own holes, but this one came already with inserts in there, so it was super simple. Just screwing it down and I'm ready to go. I think this is a great trolling motor for anyone that's got like a small little John boat, or a you could even use it on the front of a bass boat, or like me, put it on a kayak here and then just kind of like kick around the lake. I'm going to go way over there to the corner, do some fishing today. I keep a backup paddle with me just in case. But yeah, let's put this thing on. Let's get on the water. Let's see how she runs. Okay, I just went ahead and hooked it up, and let me show you how easy this thing was. So you basically just screw it into the transom mount right there. Goes very easy, and when I want to bring it down, I mash this button. I'm not going to bring it down up here because I'm on land. I will down there. Get you a battery box like this, and I've got this Green Power 12 volt 12.8 amp volt lithium ion phosphate 100 amp hour battery, and check out that box. It just goes like that. And then what I'm going to do is run a cam strap across the box. Then you know what, we'll carry it down to the boat dock, and then we'll take it out and we'll see how this thing runs. Let's try to use this thing. So I put this tiller extension handle on here. Let's see how well this thing works. So I can pull it out a little further. Right there's one. Well, everybody, it's working. Obviously with a kayak, you don't want to go super fast. Well, this thing does have a little punch to it. Check that out. Oh, this is working great, everybody. But look at the speed of this thing. Oh yeah. That thing works great. Try to put it in reverse. Woo, look at that. Well, reverse works. I'm in 3 reverse. Can't see any reason this couldn't smoke on a John boat, or even the front of a bass boat or something like that, or even on the back of a canoe fully loaded. I really like this trolling motor a lot, and I think I'm going to be using it amongst my travels. You know what? I can zoom across the lake. I'm going to make a bigger plate back there so I don't actually break those inserts while I'm going so fast, but it partnered well with this, you know, 12 volt battery, this 100 amp hour battery right there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the, you know, the Boba Dowie 55 pound thrust trolling motor. See y'all in the next video.